Welcome back everyone, hope you are doing well. In the last tutorial, we had this kind of function that from the input box, you can paste the values and if it is blank, it's skipped. So like QQQ, I add it, it will add it here. If www, it is also added here, but if it's blank, it is not going to add here. So still now it is working fine, but what we need to do, we need to add every written values inside an array. Okay, so let's just start it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add an array over here. So let to do items equal to, and I'm going to do it as a blank array because I don't have any kind of values over here. So what I need to do, I just need to put this name value over this array over. For that, I can do by creating a function and pass this value with that function. So I'm going to create a function called add items, and in the parameters I'm going to post the name, and also I need to retrieve the name here. So let's just do it. Console.log name, and I need to post this name from over here. Okay, let's see if it is working or not, and I can get rid of this console log. So demo, it's saying demo, now demo 1, it's also shows me demo 1. Still now it is working fine, but we didn't put it inside this to-do items area. Okay, for that what I can do, I can just pass this to-do items dot push, and I can pass my name over here. And if I just, instead of doing console log the name from the function, I can just do console log this to-do items. Okay, let's just console log inside the form submit event. Let's see what is source. So now again I'm going to add demo. The array it is showing demo. Now I'm going to add demo 1 it is showing the 2 demo and demo 1 but we need to first some other keys as well, because I just only first the name and I didn't first anything else apart from the name. So what I can do, I can first an ID, and what should be the ID, how it can be implemented. I can take the ID as the current date. Okay, for that what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a constant and name item, and inside it I'm going to create an object, and first one is name, name, and then id equal to, try the JavaScript function to get the current date, and it will be date dot now. So it will put my date over here. So what I need to do, I need to post this item over here. Okay, let's see. So now again I'm going to put demo. So it will show me name, demo, ID. You can see the unique value because it will take the date now in this pattern. If again I press demo 2 and hit enter, so you can check the ID is different. So why I make this ID over here, because also we need to delete this these items with clicking the delete button, which I'm going to do in some next tutorials. But let's just do one more thing in this tutorial, that can you just put this arrays over here. So how we can do it, let's just call a div dot, and I'm going to name it as list to do, and inside it I'm going to put a UL, and I need to put some LA over there which can take my IDs. Okay, sorry, the items over here. Okay, so now what I need to do, instead of doing this one, I need to do one more step, that is a for loop. Okay, this time again I'm going to use that traditional for loop, and it will take where, not where this time, it will be let I equal to 0 and I less than, can I found it? Yeah, to do items dot length. If you remember how many times the loop will run, we found in this way, and also the increment function inside it. Also, like the last time, I'm going to add an HTML variable over here, and this HTML variable this time will be inserted with a blank one, and in this HTML variable now it will be with li, this time is fine, and then just plus plus, so also li cool, and it will be to do items dot I. So now fine, but not actually fine, because if we just do the console log, you can see this is not okay. We just remove it. So let's just remove the for loop again and did the console log again. Wait, to do items array. We can see not only in the index, is also has ID and name. So we need to find in this pattern, if we just remove all the comment, and it will be not I. Also, I need to find the index of it, sorry, the key of it, so it will be name in this case. Still it's fine. It shows me some kind of error. It's okay. Let's see what kind of error it is. And I need to put this HTML over here, so I need a unique. Okay, so just again I can add the class over here, list items, fine. Okay, so document dot query selector, and then my class dot in HTML equal to this HTML. Let's see, it's already shows some error in my ID, so let's see if it's an error or not. Okay, this is already showing me the error, so let me find out why the error is. Again, I put the dot over here, it will be plus, because dot is only for the PHP and it's a coding language. Again, I did the same mistake like I did in the last video, if you remember. So This kind of mistake happens if you work with some other programming language as well, with working with JavaScript, jQuery, Node, Angular, PHP, similar kind of things. Let's just move on to this point now. So let's add demo. So it shows me demo, fine. Now demo 2. Okay. If I just put demo 3 away, okay, everything is working fine still now. Good. So you can to practice this kind of step over here by adding as many as to-do list you can. If I just put refresh, what I need to learn in next tutorial, JavaScript basic at first, which you are learning, then advanced JavaScript, we can skip it, no advanced JavaScript. So jQuery, fine. Then you can focus on Angular some part, might be. Maybe it's very cool. And then we can learn something about Node. If you want to have some programming language, you can learn PHP, or you can learn Java as well. It'll be good. Python is good also, man. So everything is we need to learn in some next steps. So don't be panic for this next steps for now. So just keep focus on JavaScript basic and what we are building currently. And till now, what we did, we add the text over here, and if we press the add button, the array has been turned with a unique ID as well, and everybody has same the unique ID, but we didn't print it over here, which we are going to do the next time because it is only the li with the basic text and the id has no functions till now, only it is stored inside this array. Okay, we need to call this id as well because if we want to delete something we need the unique value of it. Okay, without knowing the unique value we cannot delete anything. So that for that I just add the id over there. Still now it is only in the array, nothing in the front end. So which we're going to do in the next tutorial. I'm really excited for it and hope you will like it, and please do practice this and do practice as many time as you want, and please come with some next steps. And for the task what I can do, you create 2 more functions. So to delete and update the arrays. Okay, you can just do statically in this 2 part. Create a function for delete something from an array and also update some values with the array. Okay, so there will be 2 functions, delete and update. Okay, let's just try it. Take as many time as you can and hope you come with a good solution. Thanks for watching. Hope you are doing well, and our channel for getting further notification about upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.